Hello everybody! For this video we're going to be talking about major and minor keys. We're going to start off with the major keys, so you need to be able to recognise all major and minor keys with up to 6 sharps and 6 flats. So here's a little riddle to help work out the major keys. It may seem a little bit silly, but it works. So Father Charles goes down and ends battle. Or battle ends and down goes Charles's father. So when we're working with sharps, we start at the top, and when we're working with flats, we start at the bottom. So I've just written out this again at the top here, so we'll start with the sharp keys. And a really quick way to figure out keys with sharps is you just move up to the next semitone. So for the first one, if a key signature has just an F sharp, we go 1 semitone from F sharp, which is G natural. So that means that that would be G major. I'm going to alternate colours just so it's a bit clearer. So now if we've got a key with F sharp and a C sharp, we go up 1 semitone from C sharp to give us D, so that's D major. Next one, if we've got F sharp, C sharp and G sharp, we will go up 1 semitone G sharp to A major. And then with 4 sharps, F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, go up 1 semitone, that's E major. Now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sharps. So up 1 semitone from A sharp is B, so that's B major. And now finally up all the way, E sharp, so semitone up from E sharp, which is equivalent to an F natural, is an F sharp, so then we've got F sharp major. So that's a super quick and easy way to figure out what key we're in just from the key signature. If you're doing it the other way around, you just go back a semitone. So if I knew something is in G major, but I wasn't sure how many sharps or flats that have, you go back 1 semitone from G to give F sharp, so it's just got an F sharp. If we're in D major, can't figure out what it's got, think back, so we've got to C sharp, and then with the rhyme, that means there's 2 sharps, and so on. So now moving on to the flat keys, I've written out this again here, just here, and I'm going to use 2 colours to make it a bit clearer. So if we are in B flat major, and we want to know how many flats are in B flat major, we simply just go along 1. So B flat and E flat is B flat major. Now if we go along, so if something is in E flat major, you go along 1, so it's got B flat, E flat and A flat. So that is E flat major. Now going along here, so we've got B flat, E flat, A flat, and then we're in A flat major, so we add 1, which is D flat, so that's A flat major. Going along now, so we're in D flat major and we add 1, so that's got G flat. And finally, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 flats, so that's G flat major plus 1 flat, like so. And now just one more example. If we've got a flat key signature and we want to work out the key, this is super simple. So we've got B flat and E flat, so forget about this one, so that means we are in B flat major. This one we've got 4 flats, D flat being the last one, forget about the last one, we're in A flat major. So that's super simple. And now moving on to minor keys. So the best way I find to work out the minor keys is to use the relative minor from the major. So now we know how to work out what key we're in based off for the major scale, and now all we need to do is just convert that to the relative minor. So the relative minor just means they have the same key signature, and then with flatten third, and then raise the 7th and flatten the 6th for a harmonic minor scale. So all we need to do is count down 4 semitones from the key, including the first note. So for example, C major, we want to find the relative minor for C major. So we go C, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, A. So the relative is A minor. So we know C major has no sharps or flats, so neither does A minor. A major, going to the relative minor, so we count 4 including the A, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So the relative is F sharp minor. So we know that A major has how many sharps? So we've got, working that out, so we go from A to G sharp. So thinking of the riddle, A, go down semitone, that's G, so that means A major has F sharp, C sharp and G sharp, therefore so does F sharp minor, other than the raised 7th. F major, so we go 1, 2, 3, 4 down to D minor, and we know F major has B flat, so does D minor. Now E flat major, this is E flat here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, that's C minor. And we know E flat major, so E flat here, go along 1 with an A flat, so E flat major has B flat, E flat and A flat, so does C minor. Like so. So that's everything you need to know about major and minor keys for this exam. I hope that was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.